How to protect your online reputation. It's 2024. We've made over 100 videos on online reputation management. We work with clients around the world. Very interesting markets. Not only the US, where 80% of our clients come from, and of course Canada, where we're based in Toronto, but also the UK. One of our campaigns had us doing a tweet takedown from William Shatner himself. Another one, we were working with a Chilean presidential candidate or a former consultant to the former Nigerian president Obasanjo. So there's all that, but there's also everyday people who come to us. And so we work on very, very high volume. And I see so many instances where people can protect their online reputations before things get bad. Here's how to do it. Here's how to protect your online reputation. Number one, set up Google brand alerts. It's free, it's simple. Type in set up Google brand alerts, have a Gmail account, and simply type in your name. Google will now monitor the web for any mentions of you and email you if anything comes out. That's a great way to respond quickly and proactively for people and organizations. Number two, manually monitor your brand. Take a look at search results online, see if there's negative, positive content, and what you can do to influence that. If you want to see what search results look like in other regions, you don't need to buy a tool. There's a free one called VPN Search Mentor, and even though we have all the paid tools, Moz, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, Mangools, we always go back to VPN Search Mentor. We can filter by state, by country, by province, by region, and then we take a full page screenshot of the results so we can see how it changes over time. This is the most accurate tool, and it's free. Next up, create an evergreen content archive. Traditional public relations don't fully take into account the entire communications cycle and the damage left over afterwards. What we recommend is wherever your organization is hosted, or if you're not a company, you're a person, just open a file on your desktop. Title this Evergreen Articles. Write 5 long form, 500 to 1,000 word articles with your name in the heading, in the body of the article, and throughout the content. Make it informative, make it about your industry, and make it in third person. So it's like a journalist wrote it about you. If there's ever negative press that syndicates into Google or in the Google News carousel, what you can do is publish this content rapidly. Whatever your communications framework is or crisis response framework is, do that. You don't need to change it. But within the coming days, you need to not get paralyzed. You need to publish, rinse out the search engine, and then repeat. If you want a clearer breakdown of the strategy, we do consultations and we work with new clients all the time if there's a fit. If you prefer not to call or not to spend on a campaign, one easy step is to join our School platform. On School, subscriptions right now are very inexpensive and you'll get access to all the content. We have proprietary information like suppression kits, how to suppress negative content on Google, over 100 networks in there, and bonus tactics like how to build yourself up as an author or as an online teacher or as a blogger and build a real online presence that you can get excited about and maybe even make passive income from. It's all located in School. We have 3 rules in our School platform: confidentiality, a no judgment policy, and we're all there to help each other. So sharing insights. Take a look on our School platform. I hope this video helped you. Whether you're an organization or an individual, contact us too. We're more than happy to help. My name is Nadernejad, Director of Nadernejad Media, and thank you for watching.